In the video that I uploaded approximately 1 hour ago to YouTube, this circuit, electronic siren, two-tone horn, I told that when you connect a third multivibrator to locations in this circuit, you can make very peculiar sounds. And that's what I want to show now. This is the third multivibrator. It goes from 54 to 16 kilohertz. And here is the crocodile clip from that generator. This clip is the output. And I've connected it now to the base from the driver transistor, so here. And now I put up the volume from the third generator slowly, and then we're gonna hear typical sounds, new sounds. This is normal. Now I put up the volume from the third generator. And when I turn the potentiometer here, we will also hear now I change the frequency from the third multivibrator. So I keep this video short because it's more or less impossible to show all the different sounds. But it's more about the idea. When you want to do more experiments and have more fun with the circuit, you can use a third multivibrator, change the frequency and the output level, and connect it, for instance, to all kinds of locations in the circuit. For instance, here, or here, or here. All the locations where the amplifying transistors are sensitive. And always do that via a capacitor from 100 nanofarad or so. Then nothing can go wrong. You can't make serious mistakes. Nothing burns out. I've done that here too. 100 nanofarad, 0.1 microfarad capacitor to drive a third signal into the generator.